Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a flick spin with man. Knowing how to do a flick spin already would be helpful, and it's probably usual to know a lady spin with man first. I'll put links to those in the description below so it's nice and easy and quick for you to find them in case you want to go back and check them out. But jumping straight in, it's really simple. Flick spin with man looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this isn't going to tax people too much. It's a simple variation on a core intermediate move. So it starts off man's left, lady's right, normal flick spin setup, we go back, we prep through to the right. So effectively you're doing with the left hand what you'd normally do with the right hand in a lady spin. As you lead the spin, the guys spin themselves as well to the left, getting round in plenty of time to make sure we're there to catch the lady. So we do the spin for everybody, make sure you're there first, fellas, and then it's just a normal step back, return, and back. We'll do it from the other side, and we'll talk numbers. So it goes back 1, preparation 2, spin everyone 3, back 4, returning 5, and back 6. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a flick spin with man. We go a back, prepare, everybody spin, and catch, return, and back. Hope you find that one a good, steady, useful move out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bell, if you've got notifications turned on, will mean you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.